Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes, and today we will be seeing how to prepare pulichagari. Pulichagari is a dish similar to Kerala style pulisheri but without onion or garlic. We can prepare we Konkanis usually prepare pulisheri using curd or any kind of vegetables like ash gourd or cucumber, that is kanivellari in Malayalam, or even mangoes also. Uh, this pulchakari is usually prepared in Konkani homes during Kartik Maso as per the Konkani calendar. During this month, we will not consume any lentils or pulses, so pulchakari replaces the usual dali toy served on top of hot steaming rice. Pulchakari is also prepared during wedding and Upanayanam feast and will be served usually before the dessert is served. The dessert served for this wedding and Upanayanam is actually Dudha Pais or Paisam. Pulchakari is a simple and tasty and watery dish that has a tangy taste. It is so easy to prepare that you need the usual kitchen ingredients like buttermilk, grated coconut and a few spices. You can prepare pulchakari with vegetables and tubers. You can also have pulchakari along with chapatis, and pulchakari served along with puttu is a very good accompaniment. Today I will be discussing how to prepare ash gourd pulchakari. Coming to the ingredients. You need 100 grams of ash gourd cut into cubes, 3/4 cup sour curd or buttermilk, salt to taste. For the masolu, that is for ground paste, you need 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, 2 to 3 numbers of red chilies or as per your spiciness level, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and water for grinding. For seasoning, you need 1 small spoon mustard, 1 small spoon jeera, 1 sprig curry leaves and 1 tablespoon coconut oil. First, peel, wash and remove the seeds of the ash gourd. Cut it into cubes. Add water to and salt to the ash gourd and keep them in a container for cooking. In the meantime, make the masolu or ground paste ready by grinding coconut, red chilies and turmeric powder to a smooth paste. Once the ash gourd cubes are cooked well, add the masolu to it and just cook for 2 to 5 minutes. After that, you can add the curds to the dish. Once you add the curd, lower the flame and just heat it. Now do the seasoning. Heat oil in a kadai or pan, add mustard seeds and when they splutter, add jeera followed by curry leaves. Add this seasoning to the pulchakari. Your pulchakari is ready to be served. Serve it along with rice. Now before adding curd, if you just give one spin of your curd with your mixer before adding it to the pulchakari, then you can prevent lumps from being seen on top of the curry or pulchakari. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.